Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to solve the daily challenge from Leetcode. So let's see the question first, which is reduction operations to make the array elements equal. This is a medium level question, and let's read the question, which is given an integer array nums. Your goal is to make all elements in nums equal. To complete one operation, follow the steps. The first step is find the largest value in nums. Let its index be I, 0 index, and its value be largest. Okay. If there are multiple elements with the largest value, pick the smallest I. Okay. And the next step is find the next largest value. Nums strictly smaller than largest, so let its value be next largest. Reduce nums I to next largest, and return the number of operation to make elements in nums equal. Okay. So in this case you can see, as per the example, we have 5 1 3. In this case 5 is the maximum in the whole array. So we need to find the second maximum, second largest, which is 3. So we need to replace the 5 by 3, which takes one operation. So our operation count is 1 right now. Then after that 3 is the maximum. Then when 3 is the maximum, the next largest is 1. To make 2 3s 1, we need two more operations. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So that means for solving this case, for making the elements all equal, though, so we need three operations minimum. Almost three operations are needed as per the steps. Okay. So we can have the way that we can check every time that which is the largest, then we can check the next largest, then we can swap, we can just update the value. We can do these things, but it will take much more time, term complexity, and that will not be a efficient code. So let's think how to solve this question. And let's think, uh, we can sort the array first, then we will get that the 513 will be 135. Then we can say that every time when suppose we have 135, let's write here 135. So for this case, this is the lowest one. So I don't know the other things. We'll just iterate over the loop, iterate over the array. So I don't know the this one. So for this case, the answer will be 0 if we don't consider this part. After that, when we increase our I part, the iteration part, then we can see that the one element have different, that 1 and 3 is not same. So we can consider that it will increase by 1. And for the second case, this is 3, so it will be 1 at the time after changing 1. So we can also add this as plus 2, which will be 3. But why it will be plus 3? So uh, see, first for the first case, the 5 will be 3, then the 3 will be 1. So it will take two more operations, and 3 will take one more operation. So that is how this will be the answer. Okay. I mean the 3 will be the answer. So how can we do this? First of all, sort the whole array by using the sort function in C++, and then we'll just do one thing, that let's have something called answer equal to 0, and have some count. Maybe let's have cnt count. Okay. Count equal to 0. Okay. Then what we'll do, that we will have I equal to 1, and we will check up to what case, when I is less than equal to nums dot size. Every time we need to check, else will exit the array. Okay. After that, every time it will increment by 1. So before that, we'll just check one thing, that nums of I minus 1 and nums of I is not same. That means the count will be increased. That means every time like that case, it is increased by 1, but this is increased by 2. Okay, that is how we'll increase the value. Okay, so after that, which will be the answer, we'll just add it to the count. Okay, that is how we'll just solve the problem, and we just need to return our answer in this case. And I hope that is it. And for the short function, we need O of n log n time complexity, while takes only O of n time complexity. So the worst case time complexity will be, we can consider that it will be what, it will be O of n log n, and the space complexity will be, let's see what will be the space complexity. It will be, I guess, we have not take any kind of extra spaces, so for this case we can consider these things as O of 1, which is the constant space. And I hope there have not any kind of errors, so we are good to go. And let's run the solution, and let's see. Yeah, you can see this is the accepted code, and let's submit the code for check all the test cases, and wait for a second. And I hope we have solved the problem perfectly. And that is it for today, and thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next time.